Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your deck from your collection on the Marble Snap game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Marble Snap game on your device, and once you are taken into the home page, if you wish to delete any of your existing decks, just tap on Collections at the bottom section alongside the main option. This will then take you into your cards page, where you can find all of your decks that you have at the top section. Now, if you wish to delete any deck, just tap on whichever deck you wish to remove. And now once it is opened up, tap on the menu icon at the top right. Now within this page, you will see the delete deck option. Go ahead and tap on it, and then tap on the do it button to confirm your decision. Once you press this button, the deck that you have selected will now be deleted. You can do this with as many number of decks as you wish, but you will need to leave at least one for you to be able to play the game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete a deck from your collection on the Marble Snap game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.